the swipe of a credit card, the anticipation waiting for a package, the annual sale. In retail, the difference between a one-time purchase and a lifelong customer comes down to the smallest details. These moments are often left to chance or buried under endless searches. But what if we could build a system that knows the retail world and knows you? Now you can have competitor pricing at your fingertips. Explore demand forecasting, analyze your inventory and supply chain, personalize customer experiences, and more. A personal AI agent that's always learning, refining, and remembering. But how would we build this retail intelligence? Picture the internet like a giant library. The information desk is the web index, with the location and description of billions of books and pages. Its knowledge is broad and built for human search, but shallow. It can answer basic questions, but can't have a complex conversation. Web indexes pull indiscriminately from all sources and respond superficially. Without real-time access to changing information, answers may be out of date, inaccurate, or recommend a competitor. But deeper inside the library are specialized rooms with expert librarians. This is an industry-specific index for retail. This looks at a smaller number of books and pages, but has a deep understanding of each one, ready to have complex conversations about up-to-date prices, recommendations, and more. An industry-specific index is customizable, allowing us to include or exclude specific data sources, keeping everything accurate and trustworthy. Purpose-built for LLMs, it grows smarter with every search and more valuable with every customer, while building a moat that competitors and custom retail and e-commerce apps cannot cross. This is more than personalization. It's the foundation for a new era of loyalty and growth. Think of it as a gateway to the global retail market by capturing competitor, pricing, product analytics, inventory, and much more. Without it, retailers are leaving money on the table. The winning retailers will be the ones that act first, and it won't be easy. It requires a rare combination of technical expertise and AI search infrastructure, plus the only AI technology partner with the knowledge and experience to make their vision a reality. A pioneering team led by some of the world's most revered AI researchers. Together, winning retailers and You.com will build a bright future and deliver on the promise, transforming one-time shoppers to lifelong customers.